Did you know that something as simple as guava leaves could completely transform the health of your chickens? Stay with me because by the end of the video, you will learn how to naturally prevent diseases, boost growth, and save money on expensive medicines. Guava leaves are packed with natural compounds like tannins, flavonoids, and vitamins. These compounds are amazing antibacterial, antiparasitic, and antioxidant properties. In simple terms, guava leaves are like a natural health booster for your chickens. Have you ever used herbs in your poultry farm? Comment below. I want to hear your experience. Here is what guava leaves do for your birds. 1. Boost immunity. Helps chickens fight common diseases naturally. 2. Control parasites, works against worms and gut parasites. 3. Improve digestion, helps chickens utilize their feed better. 4. Promote growth, birds grow stronger and faster without chemicals. 5. Reduce mortality, healthier birds mean fewer losses. There are a few simple ways to use guava leaves. 1. Fresh leaves. Chop and feed directly to your birds as a supplement. 2. Guava leaf tea. Boil leaves in water, let it cool, and mix with the drinking water. 3. Powder form. Dry the leaves, grind them, and mix with feed. Use daily or any other day. Start with small amounts for chicks, then increase for adult birds. Make sure leaves are clean and free from pesticides. Farmers who regularly use guava leaves notice less sickness among birds, improved egg production, reduced cost of medicines. It's a simple, natural solution that works for all types of chickens, including broilers and layers. While guava leaves are amazing, don't completely replace vaccines and essential medication. Think of it as a natural supplement to improve overall health. So if you want healthy, strong and productive chickens, start adding guava leaves to their routine today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your fellow poultry farmers, and subscribe for more natural poultry farming tips. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip that can save your time and money on your farm. Also subscribe to our sister channels, Bernard Farms Shorts ZW and Bernard Farms Practical ZW. Till next time, peace, love and light.